Is there something wrong?
We should leave now.
Actually, no. Come here. I'd actually like to apologise on behalf of my husband.
Apologise?
Yeah. I'm afraid he's been staring at your pants.
Oh, for God's sake, Molly.
But a little bit of advice for you. Next time you're sunbathing on the heath, you might want to be a bit more careful. It's full of perverts. Pack up the things, we're going.
I'm really very sorry. Very sorry.
Would you like to look again?
Sorry?
Would you like to have another look?
Sorry, another look.
Yes. We all need a look now and again, like Merceau in the heat.
Yes. Like Moose. Is that the right thing to...
Why not? You're welcome.